Hello students, now we are going to see class based view. It reduces the code 50% in Python Django. Okay, this is the same project that we continued last time. Okay, where we run the code. Okay, we get all the record from backend. This is the backend of our project. Okay, this code is okay. This is the backend of our project. Okay, that we are displaying in the front end. You can see the same record: Python expert, .NET, Java program, Python expert. Okay, so suppose I do add one article here in backend. Suppose I write here PHP expert. So I am adding the code in backend. That code is visible in the front end. Okay, or I just change .NET to .NET developer. Okay, so I make some changes, save. Now these changes will be visible here. Can you see this? 3434 .NET developers. So how to do it using class based view? It's very simple. We have to create the project app. So what we are doing, this is my project name, my blog. App name is blog. Register the app name blog in setting.py. Okay, and create a file of name url.py. Define all the views here and create a folder of name templates. In that templates folder, create dashboard.html, which will display main table and add a form. It will display all the data in the table and add the form. You can see this. It is displaying all the record in backend and it is showing the form. Okay, and article details. So when I click on this, I get article details. This is article details. Okay, next is article form. Means what? When I add a form, add article, okay, I get this form. And next is confirm delete. Means what? When I click on delete, okay, do you want to delete? Yes, confirm delete, then this got deleted. So these are the pages and this is the source code. This is the source code. See, you can see dashboard.html code, article form, article detail, article confirm detail. Okay, so let us run the code. When I run the code, I get this form. So let us switch to the code. This is our main project. So how to create the project and app? Again I revise. Created folder. Make directory my blog, change the directory. In that directory, create the environment folder. If you see this, okay, this is the project folder. Under the project folder, this is the environment folder, venv. Okay, then activate the environment. Then this is for window command. For Linux, this is the command. Then install Django. Django admin start project my blog. Here project name is my blog 10,000. Okay, then app blog, here app name is blog 1000. Okay, and create the template under blog. This is the template file. Under template, create these 4 files. And already I told you this is the structure. Under template, dashboard.html, article details, article form, article confirm. Okay, already we have explained everything in the previous video. You just go through it. And the most important thing is, this is my url.py project. Okay, this is my main project url.py. This is the file. Okay, this includes my app urls. My app name is my blog 10,000 .urls.py. Okay, this file it is including. So here when I go to this map.urls, blog.urls, I go to the blog.urls. Now this is the 4 file. Okay, so here I call here from dot import views dot dashboard view as view, views dot article view as view, views dot article update view as view, views dot article date view as view. And here you can see their names are dashboard, here article detail, article update, article delete. Okay, already we have explained everything in the previous video, you just go through it. I am not explaining now in detail. So when I go to the views.article view, you just check it here. You have to write this command from django.views.generic import list view, detail view, update view, delete view. Okay, list, detail view, update view, delete view, and this is the model and reverse lazy. Okay, and this is the article. Okay, create a form here. What you have to do? Create a form.py file. So what you have to do? Create a forms.py file. This is the form.py file. Here I am adding the title and content only. So there are two fields I am taking input, title and content. If you see this, when I run the code, okay, I add title and content. So you can see title and content, model name is article. That's it. Only within 2 lines of code your form get created. That's it. Write these lines. Okay, from dot model import articles. Okay, what is the blog name? If you go to this model.py, our file name is article. Okay, and in admin.py we have registered this. Okay, we have searched this, and in that, okay, if you go through it, from dot form article form. So when I click dashboard view, article model name is article view, and here I am passing list view and calling dashboard.html. If you see this in the template folder, I am calling dashboard.html, this file. I am calling this file here, dashboard.html, in dashboard view. And when I go below in article detail view I am passing, I am calling article detail.html, article detail.html, this project, this file. And when I edit article, this is update view, in that I call article form.html, article form.html. And here when I delete view, article delete view, model name is article confirm delete.html, article confirm delete.html. Okay, so whatever view HTML file we have already used in the views.py, we have already defined in the template.py. So what happened when I run the code? Okay, I call which view? If you see views, our again one more time, our url.py. Okay, I just close this window. Okay, when I call this 127.0.0.1, okay, I call this. So it call views.dashboard view. This will call views.dashboard view. When I go to views.dashboard view, it call model.article, my article name, that is the model name, template name equal dashboard.html. Means what? I will use dashboard.html to display the data. What is dashboard.html? Let us open dashboard.html, and context name equal to article. Okay, this will be used in the HTML. Means all the data in this table will be displayed in dashboard.html. Okay, and here when I enter this data, this is the post method. And when I initially click here, I get all the data. This is the get method. I get all the data. And when I submit data, I get this is the post method. That's why here, if method equal to post, define post. Okay, define post, and I am displaying here article form. What is this article form? If you remember, this is the from.forms article form. We have defined a form. Okay, its form name is article form. You just go through it one more time. Where is that form.form? This is the form.form. In that, this is the article form. Okay, this I am calling in my dashboard.html, in that view here. Okay, so I am calling this form, and once I call this form, okay, I get all the data in the form. I have given the comment. Okay, and it return all the data. Okay, and once it return all the data, that data get displayed here in the HTML format using this dashboard view. Clear? So let us jump to dashboard view. dashboard view.html. If you see this, okay, you see the dashboard, means here when I run the code, this is my dashboard. Okay, this is title dashboard. You can see this title is dashboard. He is supposed to write dashboard 1212. You can just refresh the page, dashboard 1212. Okay, this got changed. And here in the body, my dashboard, I do 5656. You just refresh the page, my dashboard. Okay, this same form get called. Here you see the form, add new. I'm calling the form method equal to post CSRF token, do the validation, form as p. Okay, the form that we have defined will be called here form as p, type equal submit, add article. You can see add article. Suppose I add article, I make changes. You can see the changes immediately. Okay, so title, suppose I write here SQL. Okay, content is SQL. When I click on add article, now it will save. Initially it will display all the data here, you can see this data, number, title, preview, date, action. Here number, title, preview, date, action, edit, delete, same code already we have explained. And here for A in articles, how do I get the articles? If you remember this, I get the articles, this articles is here, this articles. Okay, clear, great. And here for A in article, it will just loop through it and it will display A.title, then A.content, A.created. That's why here you get A.title, A.preview, A.date and A.action. Here A.created, and here you just check this A.title. Okay, this A.number, title, preview, date, action. Number, title, preview, date, action, and their data, this data is used through the loop, through this loop. Okay, and this URL already we have seen, URL, article update, article delete. If you see our url.py, okay, what was our url.py? If you remember, they are taking this primary key as parameters, article pk for view detail, for edit and for delete. Means what? To understand, when I click on edit, you just check this path, article 3 edit. Okay, I just edit it 3 4, so 3 edit, so that is mentioned here. Are you getting me or not? See, article 3 edit, article 3 delete. Again I delete this, delete. Now check this, article 3 delete. So we are mentioning that part, article that primary key number, delete. And when I call this view got called article get deleted. Okay, and respective code is also given. When I call this article views.article delete view, it jump to article delete view, article delete view. It called article confirm delete.html file, and once it delete, it will again show the dashboard. Same thing happen for article update view. It call article form.html, and once it update, dashboard will be called. Same for article detail view. Okay, it shows the article detail, and respective code is given. See, for article delete, you can see confirm delete. Okay, do you want to confirm delete? You can see this. Okay, and detail view already we have seen, and form view. Okay, so in this way we have achieved everything using class based view. Okay, again I revise what we have done. This is the project name, this is the app name. Register this app under setting.py, create the form.py, create the url.py under the form.py. Okay, whatever form you have created, if you see this form.py, this is the form.py. Yeah, here we are mentioning that field to be added. Okay, modify url.py, define all the view here, url.py. Okay, blocks plot 100 1000. Here we mention detail view, update view, delete view, and afterwards once we do this, respective views are defined here. Okay, we use this list view, detail view, update view, delete view. we are passing here list view for dashboard view, for detail view, article detail view, update view, article update view, and here delete view, article delete view. So in this way we have achieved this. Okay, you can see all this code from this yeah, already I have uploaded all my code on GitHub. Okay, you can get my code on GitHub. Here I have uploaded this code. Okay, thank you.